From small needles to aircrafts, from mobile phones to complex cars. Well, science is full of wonders and scientific inventions are more than wonders. Have you ever thought about the complex brains which invented the complicated gadgets such as cars, aircrafts, mobile phones, fridge, video cameras, blah blah blah? Beyond imagination. Well, we know about the inventions and the scientists who invented various cars in other countries. Well, when we talk about cars, it's not about Ford, Mercedes, it's not about other complicated cars, but it's about the simple invention by simple human being, which we are going to talk in this edition of Miles to Go. A young 17 years old boy studying at JNB Rabangla has come up with an eco-friendly vehicle, and according to him, this is the first of its invention not only in state but also in the country. Deepak Gupta from Singtam is joining us today in this episode, and we will be talking more about his invention, about his hard work and about his persistent commitment which he has put on to come up with this design of eco-friendly vehicle. We will be talking about the mechanism of the car, we will be talking on the other aspects of the car. So Deepak, thank you very much for being on our show. First of all, let me tell you, your invention and your design has hit the newspaper headlines and has become talk of this state. We just would like to congratulate you for the invention and for your design. So first of all, tell me how the idea erupted and how it all in all happened.
Yes, thank you, sir. So when I am studying in JNB Pakyong, sir, I was in class 8 that time, and my science teacher OP Singh sir, he was taking the class on magnetism, and I thought, and this idea strikes my mind that time, and I thought about whole night something can be done with this idea. And daily I used to think of it. But when I was studying in that Pakyong, sir, JNB Pakyong, it was just an idea. But after joining JNB Ravangla, my principal, he was always forward to help me, Dr. A.N. Rai, and he motivated me, and this idea really came to in a real way. My principal always motivated me to this in JNB Ravangla. I am in class 11th science, and he always used to motivate me, Deepak, you can do this, and this idea you can make it a real. And there I worked 4-5 months in JNB Ravangla, and at last I came up with this idea, and I proved that this is true and this will really work out. And my physics lecturer, Mr. Kishanji, he also used to sit with me 3 to 4 hours in a day. And my principal, in the off time also, he allowed me to enter the computer lab for this project. Really, he helped me a lot. And
so धेरै मान्छे छ, धेरै मानिसहरू छ जस्तै तपाईलाई सपोर्ट गर्नुभयो हैन. ओके दीपक, तपाईको यो इन्भेन्सनको बारेमा कुरा गरौँ है. When we talk about eco-friendly car, when we talk about eco means something related with environment, है. Eco भन्ने बित्तिकै something which will not affect environment, है, नेगेटिभ इम्प्याक्ट नदिने हैन. अनि तपाईको यो जुन eco-friendly car छ, कुन प्रिन्सिपल माथि काम गर्छ?
Sir, EMIM principle, sir, electromagnetic induction magnetism. This is the principle of this car, sir. And according to this principle, sir, there will be no emission of any harmful gases as well as heat, because heat is also one of the cause for this global warming, sir. So this vehicle will work out in this way, sir.
अनि कसरी अलिकति हामीलाई है इलस्ट्रेट गर्नुहोस् हैन कि कसरी स्टार्ट गर्ने, कुनै पनि भेहिकललाई स्टार्ट गर्नुको लागि त अहिलेको नर्मल भेहिकल्सहरुलाई स्टार्ट गर्नुको लागि इदर यु नीड डिजल और पेट्रोल, राइट? र तपाईको यो जुन इको फ्रेन्डली भेहिकल जुन तपाईले डिजाइन बनाउनु भएको छ, यसलाई चाहिँ कसरी स्टार्ट गर्न सकिन्छ, यसको माइलेज कस्तो हुन्छ, यसको बारेमा भन्नुस् न.
यस सर. सर, जब हामीले चाहिँ जो यो इलेक्ट्रोम्याग्नेटिक इन्डक्सन छ सर, जुन चाहिँ यो प्रिन्सिपल सर, यो चाहिँ हामीले डाइनामोले चाहिँ स्टार्ट गरिन्छ सर. स्टार्ट गर्यो भने चाहिँ त्यहाँदेखि त्यो डाइनामो स्टार्ट भयो भने वान्स दिस इलेक्ट्रोम्याग्नेटिक इन्डक्सन स्टार्टेड सर, then it will work out automatically, sir. There will be no need of any fuel as well, sir. and this we already know that electromagnetism have so much of force. Through this electromagnetism we are using in different parts for lifting very high weights. So it has so much of power. And what I did is that this electromagnetic force will created in that, sir, in EMIM, sir, and that EMIM, that force will I am converting it into kinetic energy, and that kinetic energy is helping the vehicle to move, sir. And means once the this process starts, sir, then it will continue, sir.
कन्टिन्यू जान्छ.
Yes, sir.
अनि कतिको रफ्तारमा गाडी कुद्छ अनि कति माइलेज दिन्छ गाडीको, त्यसको बारेमा पनि काम गर्नुभएको छ तपाईले?
यस सर.
हजुर.
त्यसमा चाहिँ के हुन्छ भन्दाखेरि सर, अब जब अब गाडीमा कुनै हिट अब प्रोड्युसै हुँदैन सर, त्यति बेला त कुनै प्रब्लम हुन सक्दैन जतिको गाडी स्पिडमा. त्यसै पनि हामीले याद छ कि अगर सर त्यो इलेक्ट्रोन प्रोटोनको पनि हामीले त्यो स्पिड हेरेको थियो सर, त्यो त सबै इलेक्ट्रोम्याग्नेटिजमले नै गरेको, त्यसको स्पिड त्यति छ सर. त्यो चाहिँ हाम्रो माथि छ सर कि अब म त्यो भेहिकलमा चाहिँ स्पिड कति दिन सकौँ भनेर. हामीले जति इन्क्रिज गर्दा हुन्छ सर स्पिड चाहिँ त्यसमा चाहिँ सर. तर एटलिस्ट अब चलाउने लायकको चाहिँ अब मिन्स एभरेज स्पिडमा त्यसलाई चाहिँ राख्नुपर्छ सर.
एभरेज स्पिडमा राख्नुपर्छ. अनि जुन तपाईँले डिजाइन बनाउनु भएको छ होइन, अनि एक्ज्याक्टली त्यस्तै हुन्छ जुन प्रकारको डिजाइनहरूले हामी हेर्दैछौँ होइन,
एक्ज्याक्टली त्यस्तै हुन्छ.
एक्ज्याक्टली त्यस्तो हुन्छ. अनि अरू एस्पेक्ट के हुन्छ यो कारको, अरू स्पेसल फिचर्सहरू के हुन्छ?
स्पेसल फिचर्स सर के छ भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ सर अब एन्भाइरोमेन्टल पल्युसन जुन चाहिँ भइरहेको छ सर, रियली सर वेन आई वाज स्मल सर मिन्स आई युज टु सी दिस vehicles how it is working and used to see this pollution and all this sir, and I used to think how it works. Then I a little bit I got the knowledge of this sir, and after that there is awareness of this pollution and all this sir. So अब यो चाहिँ सर माइन्डमा स्ट्राइक गरे सर यो कुराले चाहिँ कि साँच्चै नै अब कुनै न कुनै त वे हुनुपर्छ सर, जुन चाहिँ कि अब हाम्रो पेट्रोल पनि यो सर जुन चाहिँ फ्युल छ सर यो त फिनिस भइहाल्छ सर, मोर देन 500 years लाइक द्याट यति मात्रै चल्न सक्छ सर. किनभने अहिले जुन चाहिँ गाडीको मिन्स अब पल्युसनहरू अब भयो, त्यहाँदेखि गाडीको जुन चाहिँ पपुलेसन छ त्यो पनि इन्क्रिज हुँदै गइरहेको छ. सबैले अब लेजर नै खोज्छ सर, तर त्यो लेजरलाई चाहिँ हामीले अब लेजर पनि पाओस् र सर एन्भाइरोमेन्टलाई पनि कुनै प्रब्लम नपरोस् सर. अब मिन्स होल वर्ल्डले चाहिँ ल्याक्स एन्ड करोड्स रुपिस